Alright, we're going to make a video here today, August 17th, 2020, recording the sewer line here at 947 North 78th. This is a video we're making after doing some sewer repair work here. This is a Bob Oates plumbing job, and right now we are at 130 feet or so down the line at the Seattle City main. So we've basically wrapped around the whole house, and we're now looking at the city main here. We're going to pull back and show the clean out, or show all the work that we've done here as part of this project. So this, as we come back, we're coming into a 6-inch clay line. This was left alone as part of this. We haven't done any repair work on this part of the line. This is a shared line with the ADU unit kind of next door in the backyard of 947. So this is, again, a shared line. Should be a shared cost to repair. Did not involve them in this project. So we're going to see quite a bit of original line for a while before we get back into the Bob Oates repair portion. Just wanted to be thorough and show you the entire line so that you know what we got. Well, very minorly flat through there. I'm not too concerned with that section though. A very minor amount of standing water. Alright, now we're coming back into plastic here. This is also not part of the Bob Oates repair. This was already here. Or no, that is part of the Bob Oates repair. Excuse me. So the Bob Oates repair. A little bit of sludge in here. That'll wash down. But that's where the neighboring line is tying in, right where you're getting a little bit of this sludge buildup. Again, the water flows, that'll wash that down. And then we come back into the Bob Oates repair that we installed. So this was old clay pipe through this section originally. This is a small section of black plastic ABS pipe. Again, plastic pipe, we're generally leaving it alone. And then we're going into the liner. So liner here. This is the new flow cure in place 4-inch diameter pipe liner that was installed. Let's get kind of a look at it here. Went in very smoothly. We eliminated all those seams that allow the roots to come in. We got through all the flat bellied parts and the shifted parts. I took a before video of this line as well, so you'll be able to see what it looked like beforehand. But essentially, as we come back into the clean out here, essentially the entire line has now been replaced with either plastic or liner up to where the neighbor ties in. So the shared part of the lines will still need to be addressed at some point, but we got this whole section around the back of the house taken care of. And I'm going to wrap that up and call it a day.